What's going on, guys? This is Kyle with Obsessed Auto. Today I'm coming at you with a light install. Not on a car. It's time to add some more light to this garage because, you know, apparently all of this is not enough. So I've got my shelves here, got my detailing products right up here. Well, some of them. And as you can tell right here, got a 4-foot LED that lights up the top of my box. And up here where my charger and everything is, I don't really have anything, so it's not nearly as bright as I think it can be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang a 4-foot light right here and tie it in to this one right here. Hopefully that gives me more light in my shelving area. Then I don't have to run these top lights all the time. I can just run the front lights, you know, use my correction lights, stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, in the bottom, give it a thumbs up. And alright, so got the light put in, got it piggybacked. This one's a little bit longer than what I want now, but I guess that's just the way it goes. But yeah, a whole lot more light here. So we'll kill those. That. And now this is all just what we've done here. 2 4-foot 60-watt LED light bulbs. So, man, for the money that these things cost, which isn't a whole lot, they put out a ton of light. Yeah, I mean, 2 of those are pretty much lighting up the whole garage. I mean, I wouldn't do a paint correction with these lights. I wouldn't, you know, change an alternator or something like that, but just for everyday use, every evening use, whatever, these are perfect. You know, I'm thinking I even need to do something with this light right here, like I did here, with like a fascia of some sort, because those LEDs are just angled right at my face and makes it pretty bright in here. So anyways, I'm just rambling at this point. I hope you guys did like this video. As I mentioned earlier, if you did, go down below, hit that thumbs up. Much appreciated on my end. If you do like stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified whenever I make a video, hit the bell next to it. That'll let you know every time I do an upload. Recently, I've been trying a whole lot more. Got a new camera. And, you know, I had like a 3-year hiatus. And obviously. So, anyways, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a great day.